Time to move. This LP bird eater outgrown its home. In this video, I'll show you kung paano ako nag-set up at nag-rehouse ng isa sa pinakamalaking tarantula sa buong mundo. Quick facts muna tayo. This tarantula is the Lasiodora parahibana, or also known as the bird eater. This is the fourth largest tarantula in the world. Umabot ito ng 10 inches diagonal leg span. Bakit kailangan ko ng i-rehouse? Simple lang. Masyado na siyang malaki para sa lumang enclosure. Sa pag-rehouse, we need to consider the type of this tarantula. This is a terrestrial type, ground dwellers, and sometimes opportunistic burrower. So, ang kailangan nating enclosure ay more width than height. Ayos na itong enclosure na to. This is a glass enclosure with sliding door and with enough screen mesh ventilation on top and front. First, naglagay ako ng 2 to 3 inches substrate. It's a combination of coco peat and topsoil. Optional na leaves para sa accent. We need to add wood bark para magkaroon siya ng hide or retreat. Then I added some artificial plant to cover the narrow spaces and for aesthetic na rin. Siyempre I added dried moss for moisture and humidity control. And the water dish for hydration. Now, since this is a rehousing video, I need to transfer this tarantula to its new enclosure. And it's not easy. You need to deal with some urticating hairs. At seryoso, makati talaga siya. I smoothly transferred this tarantula to its new enclosure. Kalmado lang naman kasi siya at hindi skittish kagaya ng mga baboon or mga old world tarantulas. Overall, wala naman naging problema. Successful rehousing. Mas magiging okay na siya dyan. Well set up, ventilated, with easy access para di ma-stress ang tarantula natin kapag binubuksan ang enclosure. Just a reminder, after rehousing, give your tarantula a few days to settle bago pakainin. And that's it. Para sa rehousing ng ating LP bird eater or scientifically known as Lasiodora parahibana. Kung may LP bird eater ka rin, comment down your experience. Like and share na rin kung may natutunan ka sa video na to. This has been the Creep Show, Tarantulas. Keep on sharing the good vibes of tarantula keeping. Consumatum est.